So let's get started. So to prime my face, I'm going in with the e.l.f. Jelly Pop Primer. I love this one. This is a great dupe for the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. So if you love that primer, I would definitely try this one. Then for my brows, I'm going in with my NYX Micro Brow Pencil. I'm brushing my hairs the direction I want them pointed. And then I am just going in, filling in my sparse areas and using a heavier hand on the areas where I feel like I'm missing a lot of hair. To set my brows, I'm grabbing my Milani Clear Brow Gel and then just setting them the direction I want them pointed. To even my skin, I'm grabbing my favorite Too Faced Born This Way concealer and natural beige, applying that wherever I have any unevenness and redness, and then I am going to go in with a brush and blend that in, but dabbing it instead of just rubbing it. To add some highlight to my face, I'm going in with the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer, and I am just going to apply that under my eyes and blend it out with the same brush I used for my other concealer, just because I want a more natural brightness instead of something that's emphasized. But I feel like Ariana is just more emphasized, but I like more natural finishes. Then setting my face and the areas where I put double concealer, I'm going in with my Laura Mercier translucent powder, slightly patting that and then brushing it off. Going in with the Going Coconuts palette and then setting my lids with the eyeshadow shredded just to create a smooth base. Now to shape that crease, I'm going in with Culotta, and what I'm doing is I'm grabbing a very small pointed tapered brush and taking my time and winging that out. If you look at her makeup in this music video, you can see that the makeup artist just winged out the crease and blended it smoothly. And then when I go for my left eye, I'm looking a little up just to make sure that it's even on both sides. Just take your time for this part. And then to add some intensity to the crease, I'm going in with Shell Yeah with this angled brush and then just blending that out how I was doing before, except this angled brush is going to help me point it out a little more up. And as you can see, I still go in and blend it out. Then to clean out the lid and carve out the crease, I'm going in with Shredded and going in with a flat brush and just cleaning that out, sharpening it and carving it out, because that's going to give that more clean look. To add some more intensity, I'm gonna get the color Get Crackin' and apply that as close to the lash line as possible, because this is going to add more depth to the lashes. As you can see, I'm literally patting it in because I want to be as close to the lash line as possible. Then I'm moving on to my left eye, but if you saw in the video, you can see that I'm really taking my time for this part and blending it out and then blending it sharp just so it can give that illusion of a kind of like an eyeliner look. Now to make sure that the center is clean, I'm going in with Shredded with this pointed brush and just applying that wherever I want brightness to my look. Then to add some more depth, I'm going in with my Too Faced Better Than Sex eyeliner because I love how thin this liner wing is. And then I'm just applying that to my lash line. So when I apply my lashes, it's going to be more fuller. To bronze, I'm going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzer in Rich Amber. And then applying that on top of where I have translucent powder to give it that more contour effect, but it's still more of like the warmer side, if that makes sense. So I went ahead and applied my lashes off camera. These are my favorite Kiss 11 lashes. Then grabbing my IT Cosmetics lash blowout and then applying that wherever I feel like my lashes need more depth or where I need more length as well. Now because Miss Ariana has some really big eyes, I'm going in with a white liner and then putting that in my waterline, and also my inner corner. But to balance that out and not look too crazy on my eye shape, I'm going in with a black liner after, putting it more below that but also a little bit up. For my lower lashes, I'm going in with my L'Oreal Telescopic just to have a natural lower lash look. And then going in with my Cosmetics lip glaze and then my Fenty Beauty Blom, love that. Beauty, oh my gosh, the Beauty gloss, whatever it's called, in Fessy, and I'm gonna mix those together. Now you're gonna see that with the Cosmetics one, I'm going to blend with a brush to give it a more natural look because I didn't want it to look too red. Going in with the translucent powder over because I want a more natural just tint to the lips. I didn't want it to be too glossy. So then I'm going in with my Cheerleader bronze palette and then using Cookie as my highlight. I also just applied the highlight wherever I felt like I wanted some glow to my face. Alrighty, you guys, that is a tutorial for Ariana Grande's Positions music video. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this as much as I loved filming it for you guys. And I will see you in the next video. Do not forget to love yourselves. Bye.